Hello, Southern Georgian Bay. Another month down, another monthly market update. Here is your deep dive into the local real estate stats you need to know for the month of April. We're covering Collingwood, Blue Mountains, Meaford, Owen Sound, and Wasaga Beach. Hang on tight till the end because I've got some serious insights that could totally spice up your game, whether you're on the lookout for your dream home or revving up to make a stellar sale. Let's dive in and make this real estate journey a blast. Let's kick things off with a look at Collingwood. The market here has remained steady at 6.3 months of inventory, moving from a balanced market to a buyer's market with increased inventory. For those not familiar with the jargon, let's break it down. When we talk about months of inventory, we're referring to how many months it would take for all the homes currently on the market to sell, given the average sale volume. Less than 4 months, it's a seller's market. 4 to 6 months, we're in a balanced market, and anything over 6 months signals a buyer's market. Moving over to Blue Mountains, we're seeing a jump from 9.6 to 11.9 months of inventory, firmly placing it in a buyer's market territory. Now, almost a year of inventory looks like a lot, but it depends on the kind of property you're looking for. Right now, you have more inventory in the Blue Mountains if your budget is over $3 million for a detached home than if you're looking for a detached home under $1 million. Meaford is solidly in a buyer's market, moving from 8.6 last month to 10.4 months of inventory in April. Owen Sound is the only local market that saw a decrease in inventory. It is holding steady in a balanced market, transitioning from 5.2 months in March to 5.1 in April. Wasaga Beach in the last 3 months went from a seller's market in February, a balanced market in March with 5.1 months of inventory, to a buyer's market at 6.6 in April. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Average sale price. Collingwood takes center stage with 42 sales averaging $905,362. A small 1.2% decrease month over month and 11.2% increase year over year. In Blue Mountains, there were 19 sales averaging $1,087,021, representing a month-over-month decrease of 5% and a year-over-year decrease of 10.4%. In Meaford, we saw 10 homes sold in April with an average price of $768,400, up 18.8% month-over-month and 13.3% year-over-year. Next up is Owen Sound with 28 homes sold for an average of $485,639, representing a small decrease month-over-month of 0.6% and year-over-year decrease of 2.4%. Finishing off with Wasaga Beach, which saw 41 homes sold at an average price of $730,291, a 7.5% increase over March and a 2.1% increase from April 2023. As you can see from this breakdown, the Southern Georgian Bay region varies quite a bit from town to town. It's really important to note that this data encompasses all types of houses, from condos to detached freeholds, from ramshackle fixer-uppers to beautifully updated show homes, from downtown locations to more rural spots. So please take this with a grain of salt. Moving right along to sale to list price, a crucial stat revealing negotiation trends between the parties. Collingwood and Blue Mountain are both at 96% sale to list price. Owen Sound is in the lead with 98%, Meaford at 94% again this month, and Wasaga Beach at 97%. This means that in Southern Georgian Bay, buyers are negotiating between 2 and 5% off the last listed price. Now, let's not forget the waiting game, days on market. Collingwood's days on market dropped down to 37 days before firming up on a deal. Blue Mountain saw a slight increase to 55 days on market. Meaford ran up to 65 days. Owen Sound fell to 42 days. And Wasaga Beach dropped down to 41 days. All right, zooming out a little bit. If you're a home buyer or a homeowner looking at mortgage renewals, you might be wondering about mortgage rates. Analysts continue to anticipate that the Bank of Canada will maintain rates with the next rate announcement, which is scheduled for June 5th. Mortgage rates are currently ranging between high 4% and high 6%. depending on whether you're going with a fixed or variable, insured, insurable, or uninsurable, or whether you're getting financing through a bank or an alternative lender. I always recommend that you connect with a great mortgage broker before starting your house search so you can get a firm grasp of the numbers of what you can afford. Now here's the exciting part, hidden opportunities. Economists predict that by July 24th, there'll be an 87% likelihood of a 0.25% rate drop. I believe there's a window of opportunity between now and when rates go down further. Buyers who have been waiting on the sidelines will all rush in at the same time, affecting average sale prices. As a buyer, I'd want to be ahead of that curve. Sellers, I'm seeing buyers take their time in making decisions, being cautious and methodical. This market requires a well-planned pricing strategy based on the current climate, great staging, and a powerful showing experience. Put the effort in up front to push those buyers from indecision to signing on the dotted line. On the flip side, anecdotally, there are buyers out there making very lowball offers, testing to see if a seller is desperate to sell. Be clear on your objectives as a seller, and remember, this is a business transaction, so try not to take it personally. In a nutshell, whether you're gearing up to buy or sell, each scenario is as unique as you are. Reach out for a no-obligation chat and let's figure out the best move for you and your family. Click the link below to set up a call. I'm always here to give you the real deal. Check out my other videos and I'll catch you next month with another market update. Happy house hunting.